Okay, let's take a start with Ielts speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a natural talent you want to improve, like sports, singing, whatever, right? So you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes and try to speak as long as you are interrupted by the examiner. So I'll interrupt you, okay? Please, you can start now.
I think everyone had a talent. Uh, Everyone had a talent in their life. So the talent I have, is badminton. I play badminton very well. So when I was young, or I was about 12 years, I went with my father to the badminton court. So I see my father that he was playing very well, and I was very profound that I also want to play badminton. So at that time, I discovered it. So after that, uh, I improve it by playing with my friends and my brothers to improve in it. I also went with my father to the badminton court and play with older people than me to improve it. And the other thing, I feel very good about it, and it is a very healthy activity, and it makes me very good and enjoy. I also trying to participate in the national level, as I played very well in my sports day in my university. So I also preparing for the national level game in this badminton. So as a conclusion.
Okay, thank you. That's good. You spoke for 1 minute 23 seconds. One thing, you're using and very frequently. So you should try to replace and with additionally, furthermore, moreover, not only this, but also something like that, okay? Because if you only use and as a conjunction again and again, that will be repetition. And try to make mainly compound sentences. Some of the sentences, like most of the sentences you produce, they are simple. Compound sentences, when you join two sentences with a connecting word, it becomes a compound sentence. So compound sentences are the part of a bit advanced English, okay? Otherwise, it's good. You spoke for 1 minute 23 seconds. That's fine. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Is it possible for us to know the children who are 3 or 4 years old, what they will become in the future?
Well, personally, I don't think it is possible, because at that age, a 3 or 4 years old child uh, shows interest in every field. So they are very energetic and they are attractive to everything. So at that age, I don't really think that we can judge or predict what their talent is.
Okay. Do you think parents feel guilty for putting too much pressure on their children?
Yeah, I don't think that the parents feel guilty, because in the real life, the children had to face a lot of difficulties, because the real world is full of challenges, and you have to face alone when you are grown up. So the parents know what they are putting on the child.
Okay. Why do people like to watch talent shows?
People usually enjoy, it is source of entertainment. The talent shows are very popular in all over the world, but I think mostly it is because they show the hard work of the person which is performing on the stage, and sometimes they are also fictions.
Okay. So for part 3, some of your answers are short. Try to elaborate further. Part 3 is called discussion. So discussion means you need to discuss, give examples, give arguments, and try to convince the examiner in part 3. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.